Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is called for ethical leadership and clean governance in Zimbabwe, urging fellow ZANU-PF leaders to ask themselves what legacy they are they leaving behind. Sarapina mashoko branyo kopangwa inoi. Inoya pangwa ino chain update from Isaac Makomichi. Achita Iowa. What did we learn from VP Constantino Chiwenga's speech yaka deliver yesterday? Sarapina mashoko branyo kopangwa ino do subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Makomichi ane drabira chiti. What does that mean? Question mark. Number 1. Clean governance. Ano ya nyarapaza zachiti. Transparency. Clean governance must be transparent. Decisions, budgets, and actions are open to public scrutiny. Information is accessible and understandable. Accountability. Officials are answerable for their conduct. There are mechanisms to investigate, sanction, or prosecute misconduct. Rule of law. Laws apply equally to everyone, including leaders. No one is above the legal framework. Zero tolerance for corruption. Bribery, embezzlement, nepotism, and other illicit practices are actively prevented and punished. Efficient public services. Resources are used effectively to deliver quality services. Health, education, infrastructure without waste. Number 2. Ethical leadership. Integrity. Leaders act consistently with moral values. They do what they say and keep promises. Fairness. Decisions are made impartially without favoritism or discrimination. Respect for people. They listen, value diverse opinions, and they treat citizens with dignity. Service orientation. The primary motive is to serve the public good, not personal gain or power. When leaders champion clean governance and ethical conduct, they rebuild trust in institutions, attract investment, and ensure that development benefits all citizens, not just a privileged few. Conversely, the absence of these qualifies fuels corruption and inequality. Do mashukuru budanyo kwa pangwa inoi. Ashtukwa na Isaac Makomichi. Bila comment section, meduza funguro enyi mutu kudipa msuru pechitko each. So subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.